Today, I'm in a lot of pain. What's up, guys? This is what's happening right now. This is not Buell stuff at all, but this is my grandpa's bike. And this is the bike I learned how to ride on. And the engine seized up shortly after it got to Texas. It was having issues previous to it getting here. And the bottom end actually let go. The crank and rod and everything let go. And what it ended up happening, this is a rotary valve, 2-stroke. And the rotary valve actually tacoed, so it bent, sorry. It's supposed to be flat, and it did that. And when it did, it dug into the engine case and shaved all that metal and shoved it right into the intake port and up through the engine, stuffed the bearings completely full of aluminum shavings, and that whole engine was toast. So this is a full rebuild for the most part. I mean, all new gaskets, all new seals, lots of new hardware, new, you're not going to find a new crank anymore, but new crank, bottom end, that's new and replaced, good bearings, etc. And then top end, obviously. And so this was the new NOS. Dang, that's the second time I dropped that rod pin or rod retainer. Connecting, dude, I can't think. Y'all, it's hot. I'm sorry. Apologize for my inability to speak English right now, but anyways, so it decided to seize up on me. It's only got probably a 20 or 30 miles on this build. We're still in the same place we were a while back. I'm waiting on parts to show up, and that's going to be more sporadic. It just is what it is. And this is probably going to be, it's not front and center, but I do need to kind of get this figured out as soon as I can. Here's the inside of the cylinder to show you what happened. So it caught on those two spots, so it transferred metal. This is so I've got two of these cylinders, and so the original one is in my cabinet over there, and it's pretty banged up. It's got some pretty good gouges in it. This one has the metal transfer. That would probably clean up with a hone, but instead of possibly having a round cylinder bore, I'm going to definitely have a round cylinder bore and send both cylinders off to have them bored out and just have two good cylinders. Parts are getting hard to find for this thing. The head is probably not flat. You can see some carbon was getting past the gasket. You can't really, the gasket isn't the telltale. Some people think it is, but it's actually not necessarily, because there was a lot of discoloration. This is copper. So there's already discoloration in the gasket before I even put it on. So you really can't go by that. You might say that is, and you might be right, you know? So anyways, everything was torqued correctly, so don't, you didn't torque it right. I swear. I'm sure somebody will troll me.
What the heck are you guys doing? Trying to ruin my life and make me look like a friggin' idiot?
But anyways, it is what it is. So now I've got to rebuild the top end again. Luckily, none of the crap got down into the bottom end. It all stayed up top and shot out the pipe. So it was what you would call a soft seize. Meaning that it didn't completely seize up in the bore. It definitely seized up, but I got it freed again and thought, oh, okay. So I tried to start it a few times, and that ain't gonna start. That'll buff out, right? I can get that buffed out. Anyways, it's 104 degrees, you guys. It's hot. I'm out. I'm just giving you all a quick channel update, and I'll upload this video for you. And until next time, peace out. Keep it between the ditches and try to stay cool out there.